Assalamualaikum and good day everyone. We proceed our a question a day for week number 10. This is our first question and this is from chapter 2, kinematics of linear motion. So we have here a figure 1, okay, shows the velocity of a car. Okay, we have velocity with the unit meter per second and versus time with the unit of second. The car accelerates, okay, acceleration from rest at 1 meter per second squared for 20 seconds along a straight road. So basically this is the first motion of this car. So it accelerates uh, from 0 to t1, okay, and for this part it has acceleration here is a is equal to 1 meter per second squared. Okay, 1 meter per second squared within 20 seconds. And after that, it then moves at a constant speed. So for half an hour. So this is the next motion for constant speed. This is half an hour is 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes from T1 to T2. And it then decelerates uniformly. So for the second part, okay, because it is constant velocity, meaning that there is no acceleration. And for the third part, the car is decelerating, so the acceleration must be in negative value. So decelerates uniformly to a stop in 30 seconds. So from T2 to T3 is 30 seconds. Okay, so that is how the motion of the car is translated into a graph. So now let us solve the first question. Determine the constant speed v1. So if we refer to this part and we have a, let's say we have a bigger image. So v1 is here. The starting point of v1 is here. Here is 0 and here is t1. So from 0 to t1 it takes 20 seconds. Then to solve the first question, okay, we're going to apply the equation of v is equal to u plus at. So in this case, our v is v1, u is 0 because it starts from rest, a is mentioned in the question, 1 meter per second squared, and t is 20 seconds. Then finally you'll have 20 meter per second. That's the velocity v1. For the second question, the total distance covered by the car. So number 2, as for information, we can have the total distance from area under the VT graph. So we need to calculate the area under the VT graph. So we have this shaded area. Okay. And to simply solve this question, or to have a simpler solution, we divide the area into 3 areas. So area number 1, area number 2, and area number 3. Okay, so to get rid of any confusion, so in this case, let us divide. So the distance is equal to area number 1 plus area number 2 plus area number 3. For area number 1, we have a triangle. For area number 2, we have a rectangle. And for area number 3, we have again a triangle. Then we use the correct equation. So area number 1 is half is a triangle. The time is 20. The V1 is 20. Area number 2, we have a rectangle. So V1 is 20. The time is 30 minutes. So we need to convert it into seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. So we multiply with 60 seconds. Plus area number 3 is again a triangle. So half of the rectangle. So it's half 20 times 30 seconds. Then finally you have your distance is 3.65 times 10 to the power of 4 meter.